Stay out my way, I'll cop you like an ass. Trap nigga on the way to Ashford. Smoke the best weed, spend millions on fashion. I catch the chicken with ballin' in Ashford. Grew up fucked up, now I'm having. Don't make me book you for a cold casket. Drop a bag on your ass and go to Ashton. I just dropped off 60 bags in the Ashton. She in my pants, but she a bad bitch. Smoked a blunt and count my money, started dancing. My bitch so jealous, she said, who the fuck you dancing with? Band players, who I'm running up the bands with? Free all of my mans just locked down in the can. Shout out to the Oscars, them my #1 fans. All my old hoes know I miss them the most. We made it out the trenches, 60 bags in the Ashton. I just jumped out quarantine and get a bag in. Trap nigga still a pop you like an addict. Your bitch, you know I'm the shit, I get my ass in. First time get locked up, I had took some back to Nashville. Now fast forward, take your boy Ashton. I'm rocking me and make my family pink, I'm on my rag. I'm straight up out the street, no I can't sleep, but I can bag. I'm 10 toes to the death of me, I put that on my pad. Yeah, I be killing all my options, I be killing fashion. I never need a house without my Glock, it never had. My neck and wrist is Colorado Rocky, yes I'm happy. I'm cooked up to the bone, I hope you niggas understand.